Hindi. I mean your sandals. Old sandals. Not new one. Old sandals. Get inside, Rain! Why you didn't close the door, ate? She went outside, oh. Darling! Go inside anyway. What's this? Go inside, baby. Here you wear inside. Pumunta kami ngayon guys sa eskwelahan para i-enroll si Anika. Actually today is Friday. And may konting problema dun sa applyan nating eskwelahan sa kanya. So mamaya ako nagkwento sa inyo pagbalik natin. So si 30 na ng umaga, init-init sa labas. Ano ba? Tawag. This one is enough? I guess it's enough. Nagising, alas na mag-alas 10. Sure na tate? You're done? Going to your school. Going to school. Da, come here. Darling, where you at? You have.
You're going to take me?
Huh?
You want to take me?
Your face, Rain. Ay, when she bumped her face. Ma. Wait lang. So, nandito tayo ngayon guys sa Habsiguda. Yung eskwelahan sana na pa-ano namin kay Anika. Kailangan siya ibalik sa UKG kasi daw yung edad niya hindi magtutugma sa grade 1. Kaya naghahanap kami ng ibang school na pwedeng mag-adjust sa kanyang edad.
Over there.
Yeah.
Where's this one? Where's the big
Where is your
slide?
denter? There? Ito yung mga school bus. Mas maganda sana doon may Ave Maria tsaka sa St. Joseph. Sa St. Joseph guys, sarado na yung admission. So, let's see. Itong school.
I forgot my eyeglass.
Ay, because you broke your eyeglass. So, pinapabalik kami bukas guys kasi maaga sila daw magpo-close today. So, pinapabalik kami ng 30. Sabi ko kay mister, check pa ng other school. So, ang init. So, alright guys. Narating na kami sa bahay. Diyos ko po, ang init-init sa labas. Anong degree na ba ngayon sa, lugar namin. So, eto na nga guys. Pero lalabas kami ulit mamaya para tumingin ng ibang schools. Kasi nga dahil, anong oras na, mag-alauna na. So, sabi namin, hapon na lang, mga evening na lang kami lalabas. Kasi nga, mga bata, may init din. Nakamotor lang kami, hindi naman kami nakasasakyan. At saka lunchtime, walang staff na mag-ano sa amin. Ito na nga guys, yung school talaga na pinupunteriya namin kay Anika. Ano yun Ave Maria, St. Joseph. Puro ano yun, yung dalawang yun. Christian school yon, which is I'm very glad that Christian schools. Doon sa St. Joseph, ang una-una sa Ave Maria, but yung tenant kasi sa taas guys, yung anak nun, nag-aaral sa St. Joseph, which is sabi nung feedback ng tatay nung bata, kasi nakipaglaro dito kanila Anika nung isang araw. Nakita rin namin sa bata guys na she's very disciplined. Grade 4 siya. She's very disciplined. Tapos talagang attended siya kani Anika tsaka kay Rain. ate na ate. Tapos ano siya, tawag nito magalang siya. And she's very fluent in English. So, nakita naman namin sa kanya, and at the same time, yung feedback rin ng tatay na is maganda nga daw yung eskwelahan na yun. Talagang, at saka mahirap talaga do makapasok school na yun. Bakit? Kasi, minsan kailangan mo ng backer. May ano pa yan, may exam pa sila niyan. Pag pumasa ka, much better. Pero, nung kasi yung anak niya, pumasa naman, pero nangailangan pa din sila ng backer para makapasok yung anak niya dun sa school. Ayun. And then, ito na nga, tinanong nga namin, nag-inquire kami na kung bukas pa ba yung admission. But sad to say guys, sarado na yung admission. At nagtanong pa tong isang tanong kung pwede na akong punta doon, sabi ng staff. Bakit pa kayo pupunta dito, sir? Tapos sarado na nga yung enrollment. Sabi ko nga, kasi dito sa isa, nga, bakit ka pa pupunta doon? Sarado na nga enrollment, di mo mapipilit yung ipasok siya dahil sarado na nga yung admission nila. So, dito naman sa may Ave Maria, guys, which is katapat lang ng opisina nila Papa, which is really nice. Kasi, drop by, isang way lang sila ng eskwelahan tsaka ng office. Kasi magkatapat lang. But the thing is, since Anika is 5 years old, kailangan 6 years old ang bata pag pumasok na ng grade 1. Kasi daw, baka tanongin na ganito, pag umabot daw siya ng high school o yung grade 7, tatanungin bakit yung edad niya hindi nagtutugma dun sa grade. So, ang sabi ng Ave Maria School, kailangan namin siya pabalikin ng UKG, which is waste of money, guys. Kasi, natapos na ni Anika yung UKG dahil nga, di ba, lumaktaw si Anika from nursery to UKG or upper kindergarten. So, pinapabalik siya ng UKG. Sabi ko, edi wag na. Kasi nga, magsasayang lang ng pera at taon. At may isa ring eskwelahan dito sa tabi lang din ng office ni Mr. Pero hindi siya kagandahan. Guys, parang, sa totoo lang ha, hindi man nadudugyutan kami doon sa school. Yung ganong school, guys, nasa ano siya, tinanong namin, nasa 36K na siya. Yung tumatawag. Yung ganong school, kasi guys, kung gusto mo talagang dito sa India, kung gusto mo talagang maganda yung education ng bata, guys, talagang gagastos ka ng daang libo dito. Ayan. Yung isa sa mga kaibigan ko, UKG at saka LKG siya, inabot na ng 500K. Yung bawat, meaning to say, yung bawat isa, nasa 2.5, 250,000 yung isang bata sa ano pa lang yan, sa kindergarten pa lang yan. Ayan. So, ganito ka mahal ganito ka mahal dito yung edukasyon sa India, guys. So, yung 36,000 na yun, napaka-normal pa nun yan dito. Sabi ko kay Mister, kasi yung pinuntahan natin kanina na binidyohan ko, they don't disclose the amount if how much talaga yung babayaran. Kasi sabi daw nila, kailangan makaan muna yung bata sa admission bago nila i-reveal. So, which is, there's no any, ano ba tawag nito? Hindi transparent yung school sa when it comes to the admission fee. Kaya sabi ko yung dinadalawang isip namin kung ano. Tsaka, mas okay yung school na yun na pinuntahan namin guys kanina na inano ko. Okay naman siya. Kasi yung sa Ave, tsaka sa St. Joseph, guys, ang laki ng playground nila. Which is really nice dahil may sports yung mga bata. Kasi dito, yung mga eskwelahan dito, building lang siya, guys. building lang siya, guys. Wala siyang playground na talagang maano na bata. So, titingnan natin mamaya, search natin sa internet ko ano pa yung mga ibang school na malapit dito. Kasi nga sabi ko kay Mr. yun nga yung sinasabi ko kanina na yung school na sa katabi lang na office nila, although na hindi ka ganda, sabi ko kay Mr. 1 year lang, 1 year mo lang doon si Anika. Tapos, next year, pag nag-open na ulit yung admission, i-transfer na siya doon sa St. Joseph. So, ayaw din niya kasi nga, gusto niya talagang may, yung physical activities, yung physical,
Your teeth is very dirty.
My teeth is very dirty, where?
It's below.
Or nag-toothbrush ako. ano daw, may physical activities yung bata, yun yung gusto ni Mister. Kaya nga, mamaya maghahanap pa kami kung ano. Kung wala talagang choice, guys, it's either na yung katabing office o yung pinuntahan nating school na hindi nagre-reveal ng kanilang admission fee. Kung magkano yung, kumbaga, enrollment fee. So, yun titignan natin. Pero magtitingin-tingin pa tayo mamaya, guys, at magpapahinga lang kami.
When she is
Wait lang, I have to get the,
Bye.
Wait lang, can you please give me a side lang? Okay?
Okay. It's a
Wait, wait,
center.
wait.
It's a center.
Wait, Ray! You can go and get your toys, baby. Just pour it on here.
Okay, it's a baby girl.
Excuse me! Excuse me!
I don't want to watch it. So,
Wait lang, wait lang.
you have to put net in it so it's not slippery. Okay. Now let's play touching tag. Hey! Come inside. We can come. But first we should get the shelter closer.
Hey, you guys can get inside.
Okay. Take it. Take it.
Go inside, baby.
Come inside. Just take this bowl. Okay. You're coming?
It's okay, I can take care of it. You guys play. You get inside.
I'm coming. You want to play this game?
Go there, baby.
Don't you?
You don't want to play with them out? Ah?
Maybe she
Rain?
don't want to play with them.
What is that? Give it to mama, be. Give it to mama. To play with the ate, oh. Play with your akas, da.
It's so cold
You don't want to play with
here.
them out?
It's so cozy, right?
Nasikipan siguro to si Rain.
It's so cozy, right? Yes, it's so cozy. See, look. See?
Siya yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys, na batang
I don't know how to do this.
nakikilaro kay
Look
Anika.
at here.
Sinasabi ko sa inyo matalino.
It's like this. Like this.
Tapon pala yan sa eskwelahan nila. What is that, Rina? Good boy din yung kasi pinapansin yan si Loreng.
You want to do some?
One mama. Say knock knock.
Come inside. Hi.
Huh? What do you want? Say hi. Say hi, be. Hi. Aba, may kiss pa. Kagigising lang yan ni kagigising lang namin eh.
Reels.
Gigigil ako, kagigising lang yan. What the first snacks, Rain?
Shop.
Parang uulan ulit.
Dinosaur.
Oh, what is that? See?
Huh? Ready to buy this thing.
Amoy ko yung simoy ng basa-basang lupa. Tsaka medyo kumukulog yung kanina. And at the same time, maglilinis naman ako ng bahay. So, hindi na pala kami natuloy, guys, dahil ayun nga, there's a chance na umulan. So, sabi ni Mr. bukas na lang na umaga kami ulit, maghahanap. So, what I have to do is, kailangan kong mag-search online. So, ano yung mga schools dito na malapit sa amin. Kasi ang hirap maghanap ng school, guys, kung hindi pa i-research. So, effort si Mr. today, guys. Dahil yung mga client from Australia ay darating today. So, they want to surprise them na salubungin sila dun sa airport. And regarding nga pala sinasabi ko before, na pupunta sila papa sa Australia, ang nangyari, guys, nagbaliktad. Instead na sila ang pupunta ngayon sa Australia, yung mga taga-Australia ang pumunta dito sa India. So, I don't know lang, pero napupush talaga yung manager ni Mr. na talagang needed nila pumunta ng Australia. So, we don't know, baka mag-extend kung kailan sila aalis. So, tinatry pa ng kausapin ng manager ni Mr. yung management nila, napayagan sila after 2 months or 1 month. Kasi magtatagal dito yung client, mga 3 weeks daw yata sila mag-stay dito.
Oh no, I'm coming. Rest. Oh, so there's the arrow to there. Look, nothing is. So the potato to the rescue. Oh no, stay up. Go. I'm going to look in the book. Achoo! Achoo!
Is it winter outside? Winter? Okay. Okay, pretend.
Achoo!
Apa?
Achoo! What's happening? Ah! Come inside! Come inside!
What are they doing, Rain? Ah,
Ano monster baby?
taga-sira ng bahay. Anak-nak!
Get some Santa.
Rain, nak-nak! Nak-nak! Naglaro na namang tubig ang Loring. Later, we're going to take a bath.
Who's outside here?
Oh, what is that, Rain? What is that?
I'm watching the Jesus at that room. Achoo! Achoo! I'm watching the dishes at the room.
Go inside, Rain. I'll play with them.
Achoo! Achoo! Come inside, come inside. I'm watching the dishes by the room. Bye.
She's going home now. It's already 8. Bye!
I want to play someone.
Huh?
I want to play someone.
Play!
But I want to play something girl.
Huh?
I want to play girl.
What?
I want to play girl.
Girl. You're a girl.
Kids.
Kids, you want to play with Akalaki. But it's already 8.
I want to play someone.
You should have tell her to come back tomorrow, right?
I said they eat lunch and come here.
What lunch is already dinner, not lunch. You mean by tomorrow?
Huh?
You mean by tomorrow?
Huh?
You mean by tomorrow?
Bye? Means?
Huh?
Means?
Tomorrow lunch, after lunch.
After lunch she'll come?
I don't know.
Yeah, I guess. Want to eat. I want to play with her.
Okay.
This is her sugar.
Otherwise, play with baby Rain.
Full hot.
She's at your back. Night, baby.
Night, Mama.
Love you.
I love you.
Good dreams.
Okay.
But na, tomorrow you have to go, okay?
Oh.
Close your eyes na. It's already 12. Okay na.
It's just like a caucus light.
Hmm?
It's just like a caucus.
Sleep na, close your eyes na. Langga ko.
Okay, Mama.
Night, night.
I want to kiss you.
Kiss me.
I want to love you every day.
Later.
I want to always sleep with you.
I'm sleeping beside you, right?
But where have to sleep?
I'm sleeping here. Oh, I'm just sitting.
You're
Okay na.
sleeping here?
I'm gonna sleep beside you. Sleep na, close your eyes na. Okay, good night.
Good night.
So we're having a midnight biryani, guys. Wala pala tong kinain si Mister. Akala ko, I thought you eat there in the airport. Hopefully they didn't send any spoiled food. That's for me. Enough. What is that chicken?
Soup is there.
Huh? Where's the chicken, first of all?
Here. The put fried soup. Soup is juicy piece.
It's okay.
Another plate.
I did. This is what do you call this? Use the scissor. It's hot.
Mas spicy.
Diba? Mm. 12:30 na, guys. Midnight dinner kami. Hindi kasi kami kumain kanina ng dinner. So, akala ko kasi ito si Mister kumain na dun sa kasama yung mga ka-opisina niya papunta dun sa airport. So anyway, guys, nakabasa nga pala ako sa comment section na sana kami ni Ate Verly ng Sana Family. Nag-usap naman kami niyan, guys, kasi lang wala lang talaga sa sa camera, hindi kami nag-record na nag-uusap kami. Pero nagbibiro pa nga siya sa akin. Nagbibiro siya sa akin doon. So, ayan. So, that's it for today's video lang, guys, no? So, maraming salamat sa pagsama niya sa ating vlog at ako'y kakain na. And so, sa next vlog, guys, paalam. God bless, good night, and always mag-iingat. Bye-bye!